Good morning. Welcome again to our day of vlog. This is once again Daddy GM. A wonderful morning. Thank you so much, Lord, for all the graces and blessings. And nandito na po tayo sa kalsada. Nakikita ba ninyo yung nakikita ko? Mga baka. So it create short traffic. However, it's very unique. And a Thursday morning na kasama natin sa daan yung mga baka, which is part of nature din. So, careful always sa pag-drive. Shout out to all the drivers, parents, students, all the people on the road, including the cows. So, shout out lang. So, God bless sa lahat.